In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe form to a website in beehiiv. To get started, log into your beehiiv account and head over to the main dashboard. From there, look to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Website. This is where you can manage the pages and design elements of your beehiiv site. Once you're on the website section, move to the top right corner of the screen and click Edit Website. This will open the website editor where you can customize the layout and add new content blocks to your page. Now in the editor, look toward the top left area and click the plus icon. This is the section that lets you insert new elements into your website. After clicking it, you'll see different categories of blocks that you can add. Next, find and expand the section labeled Audience Blocks. This category includes tools designed to help you grow your subscriber list and engage visitors more effectively. Inside that section, you'll find the Subscribe Form block. Once you see the subscribe form, drag and drop it onto your website in the spot where you want it to appear. As soon as you place it, the form will be added directly to your page. Try to position it somewhere visible and easy for visitors to find, since that can help improve sign-up rates. After the form has been added, click on it so you can begin editing it. When the block is selected, a settings panel will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel contains the form's properties and customization options. From here, you can adjust the template, size, color, and fields included in the form. For example, you can choose a style that matches the overall look of your website, make the form larger or smaller depending on the section it's in, and decide which fields you want visitors to fill out. Keeping the form simple is often a good idea if your goal is to encourage more people to subscribe. Go ahead and make the changes you want until the form looks the way you need it to. Take a quick moment to review everything and make sure the design fits nicely with the rest of the page. And that's it. You've successfully added a subscribe form to your website in beehiiv. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.